For creating basic accounts, you go to myappdash.com. I'll go ahead and have a link in your file for you. You're going to go ahead and click on Reseller Login, put your email and password, and you click Login. All right, you will see your access here. Now we are working on updating the dashboard right now. So these features are not working, but within the next 3 weeks to a month, they will be, so that we can get all sorts of automation going in the background. But if you want to create a new user currently, you just click on New User. You're going to go ahead and put their name, their email, and the password. And I recommend having a default password, or something else that all users have so that they can change it in the future. And then you can say send email and create. Don't ever use trial user or trial days. Just send email and create. And this will automatically create their account. Then you can go ahead and send them the information on their login details so that they can go ahead and log into their new account. We have packages set up here. This is for the Zapier backend. And when you are ready, I will go ahead and try to help you set up Zapier. Don't use this until we get it set up for you so that you can go ahead and do auto creation of accounts that you sell. If you have any questions, hit me up on Messenger or send me an email.